Hello students, we are in the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry in exercise 8.4. Here we shall discuss about trigonometric identities. At first, we shall discuss what is an identity. Earlier you got this type of identity. Suppose a plus b whole square, a square plus twice ab plus b square. This is always true for any value of a and b. This type of identities we got, but in trigonometry we will get some equations containing some trigonometric ratios like sine theta, cos theta, sec theta, like this, etc. And these equations will be correct for the value of this theta or the given angle. Those are called identities. Today let us discuss those. Alright, here at first let us consider a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle where B is 90 degree, and this angle, let us consider this angle be theta. Here with this condition we are doing everything 0 degree less than equal 90 degree. That means theta lies between 0 to 90 degree. Then we get three identities initially: sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second, sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta. After that, one more we will get, that is cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. These are identities for the values theta in between 0 to 90 degree. Alright, theta may be 0 degree or theta may be 90 degree. Then apart from these three, earlier we got some relations like cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta, sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Then few more, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta we can get, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. With these identities, let us complete the exercise 8.4. Alright students, we have taken question number 1. Let us read the question. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A, tan A in terms of cot A. Okay, so here we have to convert sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. How can we do that? See the relation. Let us write these identities. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Second identity, sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Cosec square A equal to 1 plus cot square A. Also get cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. We need these identities here. Now you see, let us see one by one. Sin A we have to convert into cot A. Alright, now there is a relation between sin A and cosec A. Cosec A is the reciprocal of sin A. Okay, again there is a relation between cosec A and cot A. Cosec square equal to 1 plus cot square A. So initially what we will find? We will find this cosec square A. If we can find cosec square A, then we can find cosec A, then we can easily find sin A. So let us do. We know cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So cosec A is the square root of this 1 plus cot square A. Cosec we have found. Therefore this sin A now we can easily find out. What is sin A? It is the reciprocal of, sin A is the reciprocal of cosec A. They are the reciprocal of each other. 1 by cosec A is this one, 1 plus root over 1 plus cot square A. So first one is done. Now sec A. Sec A we can find from here. If we want to find sec A, we need tan A. Okay, now there is a relation between tan A and cot A. What is the relation? tan A is the reciprocal of cot A, or cot A is the reciprocal of tan A. Okay, so we have, for the next one, we have sec square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. Alright students, so sec A is the square root of 1 plus tan square A. So sec A is 1 plus tan A means 1 by cot A whole square. Then remaining part let us do here. So dear student, this sec A is equal to square root of 1 plus, what is this, square of 1 is 1 and it is cot square A. So we have converted sec A in terms of cot A. Alright, then this is left tan A. This one is very easy. We have tan A is the reciprocal of cot A, right? So we have got the answer as sin A is 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square A. Sec A is 1 plus 1 by cot square A. After that, tan A is 1 by cot A. Okay, so sin A, sec A and tan A we have converted to cot A. Alright students.